Hello friends, welcome to channel again. Now I am going to explain as part of AngularJS tutorial. Now I am going to explain how to use output decorator. So with example, so as per the definition, Angular output decorator is a child component or direct to allows data to flows from the child to parent. A property decorated with output in child component is used to raise an event to notify the parent of the change. The property must be of type event emitter, which is a class in Angular core that used to emit the custom events. Input decorator is used to pass data from parent to child. The component property should be annotated with input decorator to act as input parameter. So as I mentioned, if you want to pass data from parent to child, we use input decorator. If you want to pass data from child to parent, we use output decorator using event emitter. So I already implemented that. I will go to code and explain. So this is my component. So whatever you are seeing, this is my component. So in that component, I have a button called callback. Suppose if you wanted to use that, click that button, and I want to return the name of particular row back to the parent. So how do I do that? For example, if I click callback, I'm getting this this name from the my child to parent. So there I am displaying that. Let me go. So in my app component, this is where I'm using a component called student details. So in student details, so in component, I have a button called, this is the button you are seeing in UI. So whenever user click callback, I have created a function called done. In that done function, so this is where I have created output decorator. So for that you need to get that output as well as event emitter from the Angular core. You have to inherit that. And after that you have to declare like this: output a name and new event emitter. And in this on click of that function done function, I am emitting with data. So if you wanted to emit, you want to return back to parent, so you have to use emit, and I am passing that my first name. This is my name of that student. So this is how I have declared in my component. In my so wherever I am using that component, so here I am using, I have create, I am use, I am retrieve, I am means I am receiving that event with property event. So this is where my event emitter name. So if you see that message event, and my event name must be same. So the same I have used here with event property event, and so I am attaching to that my function in my parent. So here this is the where I am capturing, and I am attaching that event display function, display message. So if you see that my app component, so this is where I have receiving that event emitter with the message. I'm alerting that. So display message. So display message. This is where I will get the data. I'm passing this event emitter. I am attaching to event. I mean function. with the data. So there it's getting displayed mine. So if you understand, this is my component, student details is my component. So I am emitting a function called message event, and using function binding, I am passing that function to my parent function, that is display message. So I am receiving the data, I am displaying here. I hope you understand how we used output decorator, using how I am going to pass data from my child component to parent. So so this is where I am passing back to parent function. So this is my parent. This is where I am using that. Whenever user click that button, so I am passing back data to parent function. So this is my parent function. So there I am displaying my data. So I will show you once again how it is. You can see that. So this is how we will use for output decorator. And please keep watch my videos, and further videos I will add some more example about the output decorator. Thank you very much.